In the Elbesee Versatile Clamp Kit, you'll have a stalk, a bolt and a bolt locator, wing nuts, washers, TC screw, square clamp, round clamp, and a long bolt. To assemble, attach the two sides of the clamp together. Orientate them so that the rungs are against each other. Then fit a long bolt through both parts, so going from the round clamp to the square clamp, and then fix in place with a large washer and then a wing nut. You do not need to tighten. Next, take the bolt locator and thread the bolt through. Then slot the circular clamp on the unit into the slot at the top of the stalk. Line up the holes and thread a bolt through. Fix in place with a washer and a wing nut and tighten. Now you can attach this whole unit to any Elbesee stand, such as the table clamp as shown here, the ring floor stand, or a seat frame. Attach by simply slotting the stalk into the hole at the top and holding in place with a TC screw. Now to attach your frame, we recommend using some fabric to protect your frame. The clamp has two sizes. Use with the lower lip to the front for small rotating frames and embroidery hoops, and use with the lower lip to the back and the higher lip to the front for larger frames and embroidery hoops. To attach, loosen off the clamp by unscrewing the top wing nut. Then putting your frame into the clamp before tightening.